This is a 1988 Harley Davidson 1200cc Sportster XLH. It's a project Barnfind bike. I've had the bike running just on easy start. There's petrol in it. I've put the petrol in, but it won't run on that. It's just the carb must be blocked. Brakes don't work on it. I've rocked it through the gears. According to this West Virginia certificate of inspection, it's 2003, 2004, so maybe it's been stood for 20 years since then. It looks like it. There's a bit of rust set in around the clocks and stuff. I'm just getting started. Forgot to get this ready. Right, might run out of hands, so I'll put that down for a second. That's as best as I can do with just two hands. Spraying easy start into the carb. It runs. The motor sounds alright, it's backfiring, but what do you expect? If you want a little project, that'll be on eBay if it's still available. Check it out.